Hi guys, so today I went to Sephora and I'm going to be doing a Sephora like what I got from Sephora. So,
What's in my bag?
show what's in your bag too?
No, I mean, I'm saying that's what you can call it.
What's in my bag? So, I only got two things. Whatever. So, I got some Touchland. And the last thing is I got this lip oil because I was running out of some like lip gloss and I brought my fanny pack, so I'm gonna put my stuff in here. So let's see, I got my lemonades running out. And it's very squishy, but no, it's not full. It's basically, it's only a little bit. So, but when you take the cap off, it's this part, it's not. But, okay. Mommy, the reason why I got, here, I'll tell you both of y'all. So the reason why I got some more lip gloss, even though I got a little bit of lip gloss in here, is because you know, if my thing runs out and y'all have low money and you're saying no, because then my lips will be rusty and dusty, and musty. So that's why. Apparently my mom's using it right now. So I'm gonna put this in there. So let's open it. My God, my allergies. Where am I going at? Oh my God. Thank you. So now I'm gonna put it in there. What is this? It's like a paper. It's a paper. It's a paper. Oh my God, whatever. Skip the paper. Let's get the lip gloss up. It's this lip gloss slay. Like, we're gonna try it on. Mommy. You're gonna try it on first? Well, your lips are already popping, so thank you. Okay, let's try it. This is my first time. I'm scared.
Put some more on.
Put some more?
You need something like in the corner. You only put it in the middle.
Does it look like I have lip gloss on? Lipstick on? It does? I said lipstick.
No, lipstick. No, looks like you have lip gloss on.
Okay, good. Because I'm not really lipstick, girl. Okay, yay! Okay, we're gonna put this and this in here. Forget my volleyball. Just put it in here just in case. Yay! Okay, now my second thing, which is Touchland. Even though I already got one. Guys. Well, and I was kind of wanting to, mommy, you know, that a pocket in my lunchbox, like inside of it? Yeah, I was wondering if we could, like, put a new Touchland in it. So, like, if my hands are dirty, you know.
We can just put some wet ones in there.
What?
Wet ones. Like a little packet. And you can wipe your hands off with them.
Wet wipes?
It's like a wipe, yeah, but it's called a wet one.
Oh, but I would rather do hand sanitizer.
But if your hands are dirty, you need some wipes to wipe it off.
That's kind of true. Oh, those ones that's called wet ones? Oh my god. Okay. Touchland. Okay, I don't know where I'm going to put my trash. Oh, there's a sephora bag. Where's my trash? Forget it. Okay. New Touchland. I'm basically a Touchland girly. Da 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 da. Yay, Touchland. Does it fit? This two, no, two of them does not fit. Glasses. Going in here. Okay, and that's really it, you guys. We love you. Bye, guys. I know it's only been 7 minutes. Well, 8 minutes now. But